Sometimes, a genius and also intricate new type of gastronomy goes into the food globe. As well as sometimes, an exceptionally basic suggestion is sold for millions. Here are the most standard food suggestions that made people oh so wealthy. 1. Ketchup. Henry John Heinz created catsup, and since then it's been dressing background. He initially adjusted a Chinese dish for a sauce made from tomatoes in 1876. Currently, who does not have catsup with their burger and fries? 2. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Among one of the most well-known food franchises ever, KFC is worth over $8.5 billion. It was developed by Colonel Sanders back in 1939. In 1952, KFC was offered in dining establishments, and also when the Colonel was 60 he turned it right into a franchise business. 3. Beyond Meat. If Americans are proficient at one thing, it's consuming burgers. Currently, they're doing it a little much healthier thanks to Ethan Brown, a food entrepreneur who developed alternate meat out of pea protein. 4. Chocolate chip cookies. Ruth Graves of the Toll Residence Inn unintentionally created chocolate chip cookies when she prepared a batch one day, recognizing too late that she had run out of Baker's delicious chocolate. After that, she chopped a chocolate bar and also although it really did not blend with dough like she really hoped, it became a crowd fave. 5. Organic baby food. This is absolutely a food product for the privileged, and also it was developed by Pet Cat Gazzoli, a mom-to-be who was irritated with the absence of infant food alternatives out there. Consequently, she produced the all-natural brand name Piccolo, which makes use of real food just and transforms 6 million a year. 6. Seoul Taco. We're so grateful for whoever developed this fusion food, because it tastes like heaven. Mexican as well as Korean food as one was seated by David Choi, that began selling his tacos in food trucks. Now, his brand name is worth over 5 million and also he has 5 dining establishments. 7. Popsicles. Popsicles were designed by Frank Epperson, who was just 11 when he mixed lemonade with soda powder as well as accidentally left it in the fridge with the stirrer in it. After selling them in theme park, he marketed his items' rights to a firm that then obtained extremely rich off it. 8. Pancake Batter. This is rather a clever food creation that I'm sure we've all idea of, yet someone really went out there and made it, the battery blaster. Thanks to Sean O'Connor, we just have to spray and fry out pancakes. 9. The family member's cake dish. This isn't your granny's pound cake. It's a smartly though out brand by Kim Nelson who opened Daisy Cakes. The firm chased Kim went on Shark Tank as well as her business took off. Today, it deserves millions. Do you also have an idea to make you a millionaire?